everybody, welcome back to my channel. So today for you we have another unboxing of a subscription box for the month of June, and this month we are looking at fragrances. So fragrances for me are so important because, you know, a memory can fade, but sometimes you can walk past somebody and smell something and it will just take you straight back to that memory. So yeah, fragrances to me have always been important, and when my perfume ran out last month and I started looking around for a new fragrance for summer, I was contacted by this company and asked whether I'd like to review their box. I was like, perfect timing, because I'm looking for a new fragrance. So the box I'm talking about is Secret Scents. So this is it here. It comes in at £13 a month and allows you, if you are a perfume lover, to try different fragrances, and at the same time, if you're looking for a new fragrance, kind of explore different ones which are around and new to the ranges. So when you open it up, you get a beautiful little card, and as you can see, this is June's edition and it is floral and fantastic and bright and colourful. Yeah, just full of the joys of summer. And inside the box, I'm just going to whip the card away, you have your 3 beautiful fragrances for the month. Each one of these is 3 mils. And the idea is that you should use all 3 throughout the month, and that will allow you a month's worth of fragrance. So if you spray these 3 to 4 times every day across the month, these are meant to last you a month. I personally don't, I will usually like put a little bit of perfume on in the morning and then just see how it wears throughout the day, and it will give me an idea whether I like the fragrance or not. I'm never one of these people that tends to find that I have time to top up. So I think for me this is going to work really, really well. So you also get 3 little cards which tell you about the fragrances, their notes, and what they're meant to smell like. Okay, so the first fragrance that I'm going to try is this one here, and it is the Vera Wang Princess. I have never heard of this one before. Oh, I'm going to give it a little spritz on my wrist. Oh, there we go. Let's give it a wave. Oh, now that's very sweet, and I do like a sweet fragrance. So this one here smells of water lily, apricots and apples, so that's why it's really, really sweet, but it's still got that crispness to it. And then you've got pink guava and dark chocolate, vanilla and amber. Wow, I really like that. I think I'm just going to have to let it settle a little bit because I can still like smell some of the alcohol coming off it. But yeah, that smells really, really nice. Okay, so the next one that we're going to try is this Gucci, and it is the Flora Glorious in Mandarin. I'm not usually one for orangey scents, but you know what? Let's give this one a go. I'm going to put it on my other wrist so we don't mix them up and, you know, strain the fragrance. Oh, now that smells nice. That is really like summer, floral, fresh. Yeah, I could definitely wear that as a summer fragrance because it's not too heavy. I find sweet smells are a little bit heavier in the summer. But that's still sweet, but it's got that kind of zest to it, which is really like poppin'. So for the Gucci, it has top notes of mandarin, orange and peony, and middle notes of jasmine. Oh, I love jasmine. That may be what I can smell. And pina colada with base notes of amber, musk and wood. Do you know, I like that one. I think I like this one better than the Princess, but I think the Princess would make a really nice evening fragrance. Okay, and last but not least, we have this one here by Jean Paul Gaultier, and this is the Classic Au Franche. Oh, I can't spray this on my wrist, so I'm gonna have to just spray it on my neck and see how it comes about. Let's have a little. Ooh, now that's different. Now that's really different. That's a little bit more masculine. It's got a little bit more You can smell a little bit more of the musk coming through in that one. So that one has lemon sorbet, sugar and ginger. Maybe it's the ginger that I can smell. It's a little bit kind of, yeah, I can definitely smell the ginger. Orange blossom, jasmine, tiara flower, vanilla, musk and libidium. Yeah, I don't know if I like that. I think that's a little bit more earthy, a little bit more, I don't know, natural, hippie fragrance. It's not me. It's definitely not me. It's unusual. It's kind of the scent that you'd walk into like if you walked into a shop that sold like crystals and things like that, like incense. You get that kind of incensey smell from it. Yeah, that one I'm not so much of a fan of. But do you know what? All these fragrances, I would wear them. I would absolutely wear them. I'd definitely wear the Vera Wang for an evening. I'd wear the Gucci for generally like during the day. And the Jean Paul Gaultier, do you know what? I might even wear that for work because it's just something slightly different. And yeah, it's a little bit more unusual. I do really like the bottle actually, because you've got pictures on the cards of the bottles, and I do like that. That's quite nice. You can kind of see what the bottle would look like. So yeah, I am really pleased with my fragrances that have been selected this month. I definitely think they're all very wearable. I'm going to see how they progress throughout the day. I feel like the Jean Paul Gaultier one's growing on me slightly. But yeah, we will see. So yeah, let me know if you've tried this box, whether you think it's good value for money or not. I think it's a real nice little treat, and if you are into fragrances and wanted to collect and try different fragrances, it's a really good kind of like starting point for you if you don't know what, or feel overwhelmed when you go into a shop because of all the other fragrances that are there. I know I do. I never know where to look, where to start, and there's just so many that you pick up those little bits of card and you spritz it, you walk off, and then you can't even remember which one it was. I think this is a really nice way to try different fragrances, and yeah, see whether you can find your favourite fragrance. So guys, if you enjoyed this unboxing, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to like and subscribe. I'll link all the details for my secret scent down below. And yeah, have a fantastic day and I'll see you all later. Bye bye.